To go over the top this Halloween season, this monster cake is perfect. All you need is 250 grams of cake mix, 3 eggs, 30 millilitres of oil and 50 millilitres of water. Whisk away in a mixing bowl. Now we're going to pour half of that mixture into a cake mould, and the other half we're going to keep in the mixing bowl and add 50 grams of cocoa powder. That's going to make our chocolate cake mix. We'll pour that one into a separate cake mould. Brilliant. Now both of those will go in the oven to bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, add 200 grams of sugar with 50 millilitres of water into a pot on the stove and let it simmer away. Now we add 180 grams of egg white with 30 grams of sugar to a mixing bowl and whisk it up till it becomes light and foamy. And we're going to add our sugar water mixture into that, a little bit at a time, whisking all the while. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract goes into there with 1/4 teaspoon of salt for some lovely flavour. 550 grams of butter finally. Whisk that all in. Fantastic. There's our Italian buttercream. Add some food colouring. We're using green and yellow. Meanwhile, your cakes have been taken out of the oven and we're slicing off the tops. Starting with our chocolate cake for the base, we're going to pipe on some Italian buttercream icing, smooth it out, and then layer it up with our vanilla cake and more Italian buttercream icing. And chocolate, slicing around the sides because we want to make a dome-like shape. Now we're going to pipe some green buttercream icing to cover the entirety of our cake shape and some fondant icing for the facial features. That's the fun part, stick it on. Now we're going to add our monster hair. That's right, we're using our green and our yellow buttercream icing, piping it on with a serrated edge nozzle to create a fur-like effect. All the way up to the top. And for a finishing touch, we'll add some horns. And how about a little tuft of hair? There you have it, a fantastically happy Halloween monster. Delicious.